Wow, I have not done one of these in a long while. The last time I purchased a designer bag and unboxed it for you guys was a year and a half ago, pre-COVID. You know how in history they say like 1000 BC, like before Christ? I feel like now BC can stand for before COVID. So the last time I bought a bag was 3 BC. 3 months before COVID. You guys know me. Every single time I do an unboxing video, there's a life story that kind of goes behind it. Because to me, every bag is a journey. I don't just go out there buying bags all the time. There's the reason most of the time behind it. But if you're one of those people that tend to comment on a video saying, "You talk too much. Shut up, bitch. Stop talking and show the bag," then I'll leave a time mark in the description box below so that you can skip ahead and save your ears. A year and a half is the longest I have gone without buying a designer bag ever since I first started buying designer bags about 10-ish years ago. I think it was around like 2010, 2011-ish, something around that range. So it's been approximately 10 years. You know, anything can happen in a pandemic, and what happened to me was that I stopped my bag buying habits. Well, it didn't stop. I like paused. They went on pause. I just wasn't able to really justify buying a new bag for the past year and a half because it wasn't going out anywhere. I wasn't getting dressed up in a bunch of different outfits that I could wear my bags and go out and look cute and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, meh. And on top of that, I bought this house last year, so that kept me broke for a little bit. I feel like buying a house is such a trap. It's constantly a money trap. There's always more to put money into. So after I bought a house, like this year, I put money into obviously like furniture, and then I also did my patio, and then I want to finish my basement, which is going to cost me a few $1,000s, and then I want to do the outside. Like it's a money trap. It sucks your money. This is a trap. So 2 main reasons why I suddenly then decided to buy a bag. One, I moved to the suburbs and I found that my use cases for my bags was actually a little bit different. Back when I was living downtown Toronto, I opted usually for like roomier bags that were just a little bit bigger, had more room, because oftentimes I was spending my days walking from place to place depending on what I was doing that day, and I needed like a bunch of things. Sometimes I would be stuffing like my gym clothes in there. Sometimes I'd be putting my laptop, and I would always be carrying my water and all these other things. But then moving to the suburbs, you drive everywhere. So I don't need to be bringing all these things with me that I needed for like survival of walking around downtown all day. I have a car now and I just go to the destination and I'm not walking anywhere. And plus, your car acts like a second purse and you can leave all your shit in there and not have to stuff it in your bag. Any extra clothes, any extra shoes, anything I can just put in the car. So then for the very first time in my life, I became a small bag girl. I've never been a small bag girl, ever. And in my collection, I actually don't have a lot of small bags. And to be specific, as I was putting on different outfits to go to the grocery store, I realized that my collection is missing a nude colored small bag. So that is what led me to this purchase right over here. I bought this directly off of the Prada website because there's no in-store shopping where I am right now. I've never tried it on and I've never seen this color in person, so it's kind of a risk. The shipping was so fast. I ordered it on like, I think a Saturday or a Sunday, and then it got to me by like Tuesday or Wednesday. So we have a small box here. We're gonna lift this off. Got the Prada tissue. Here we have the Prada dust bag. And there we have it. I'm gonna read the name off my phone to make sure I got it right. So this is the Prada Re-Edition 2005 Re-Nylon Bag. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere. It's been a really popular bag since I think around actually near the end of 2019. I remember going into the Holt Renfrew store, a Prada boutique, and I saw so many of these bags. And at the same time, I believe that Louis Vuitton, oh my God, what is it called? That like multi-pochette bag also came out. And I was like, oh, like 2 bags that came out that have like this crossbody and then these multiple things on them. I was actually at that point debating between the two, but then ended up buying a Chanel bag instead because I needed like a black small bag for the cruise that we were going on. So I'm a year and a little bit late onto this bag trend, but I'm here for it. This color is called Desert Beige, and like I said, I was specifically looking for a smaller nude color bag because that's what is missing from my closet. The nude color of this is actually quite unique. I haven't seen a lot of brands do a nude color like this. I think maybe the closest I've seen is the old Celine luggage bags, which I still have, and there's a colored dune, that's the one that I have that is pretty similar. Another reason why this was a pretty easy purchase to make for me is because I love bags that have like versatility to them. For example, my Chanel bum bag, like it can be worn across here, but it can also be worn over the shoulder. And my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini, it can be worn as a backpack, or it can be worn as a crossbody or a side bag. Like I just love bags that can be worn in different ways, and this is exactly it. So you can wear this as a crossbody with this longer strap right here. It's adjustable, so you can make it shorter or longer to fit your height, I guess that's what I would call it. You can also, of course, adjust it and wear it as a side bag as well. And lastly, you can remove the larger strap here and just wear it like this. And bags like this with this type of shape and like a sling shoulder bag have been so trendy lately. I think actually I'll be wearing it more with the smaller chain than anything else. Like I love just the shape of it and how it looks when it's on the shoulder. On the larger strap, you can also take off this little pocket here. And I actually already have like an idea of how I would use this outside of it being attached to the bag. Sometimes when I go to the grocery store, I just bring like cash, a card, and my phone, and like keys. But when I'm wearing my little shorty shorts, I don't have enough pockets to be stuffing all those things in. So I thought it'd be really cute to just hang this off of like a belt loop on my pants, and I could put my cash and whatnot in here so that I have a little bit more room. I thought that would be kind of cute, like on my pants. Or honestly, even attaching this to my keys. I have my keys right here. Like I could attach this to my keys and run to do some errands. Cute. All right, so let's play the game of what can fit in here. Although it's a small looking bag, the fact that it's a thinner fabric and it's a very flexible fabric, like it's not structured and like hard like the Chanel fabrics are. Chanel fabrics are so hard. This is like so loosey-goosey. I have a feeling that a lot can fit in here, even though it's a small bag. Okay, so inside, unfortunately, there isn't any other pocket, it seems. I feel like they could have put like a little back pocket here, which a lot of bags typically have, just so I could like slot this into a back pocket. So here I have the card holder that I'm using at the moment. It's just a YSL one. I don't really use wallets anymore. I just put everything into cards, and I don't often carry cash on me unless I'm doing like an errand. Got my keys, I can throw that in there. Got a pair of sunglasses, easily goes in there. Got a lip product, boop. Hand sanitizer, because COVID. Got some mint. Oh my god, there's like still so much room in here. Like the most amount of room in here. Look, it's taken up maybe half of the room, not even. There's still a lot of room in there. I feel like if you are someone who carries a wallet or something a little bit bigger than this, you can definitely still fit in here and fit a couple of other things as well. So it is quite a spacious bag, considering I would put this in the small-ish bag category. Arguably, I have Chanel bags and YSL bags that look visually larger than this, but fit less than what I can fit in here. So it's just really, it's a really flexible bag. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, had some fun unboxing it with me, and perhaps found it useful if you're looking into this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see me style it, and I will talk to you guys again soon. See ya.